Hello and welcome to today's video where we are going over the top 5 lawnmowers in 2024. If at any point you want to purchase one of these, there will be links down in the description for purchase. And just so you know, these are affiliate links and they do help support the channel. So if you do end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance for your support. Up first, we have the Greenworks 60 volt 25 inch cordless self-propelled lawnmower. This mower combines the ease of a battery powered system with the performance of a gas mower, all without the associated noise or emissions. Taking a look at some of the key features and benefits. Enhanced power and performance. Equipped with a 60 volt battery system, this mower offers 50% more power compared to the traditional 40 volt models, making it capable of handling even the thickest grass effortlessly. Extended run time. With dual 4.0 amp hour batteries included, you can mow for up to 80 minutes on a single charge, covering up to 2/3 of an acre, which is perfect for medium to large lawns. Self-propelled convenience. The self-propelled rear wheel drive simplifies mowing on varied terrains, particularly hilly or uneven areas, reducing the physical strain and making the job quicker and more enjoyable. Efficient mulching. The dual blade design not only cuts the grass more finely, but improves mulching by 30% compared to single blade mowers, which is great for your lawn's health by returning nutrients back into the soil. Quiet operation. At 60% less noise than gas mowers, this mower is neighborhood friendly, allowing you to maintain your lawn without the loud noise that is typically associated with lawn mowing. Weather resistant. With an IPX4 waterproof rating, it's built to withstand challenging weather conditions, ensuring durability and reliability throughout the seasons. Convenience features. It includes high intensity LED headlights for better visibility at dusk or dawn, and a dual port auto switch feature that automatically transitions to the second battery when the first is depleted, ensuring uninterrupted mowing. Next up, we have the LawnMaster 20VM WGT 24 volt max. This mower is engineered to provide a clean, precise cut with less noise and no emissions, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Getting into some of the key features and benefits. First off is its powerful performance. The brushless motor technology enhances the mower's efficiency and durability, delivering reliable power and a longer lifespan compared to traditional motors. Versatile cutting options. With 6 adjustable cutting heights, you can customize the lawn appearance according to your preference, from a close crop to a more natural look. Wide cutting path. The 19-inch cutting width allows you to cover more ground quickly, reducing the time that you spend mowing. It's ideal for medium to large sized lawns. Dual battery system. It comes with two 24 volt max 4.0 amp hour batteries, providing you extended runtime. You can mow up to 1/3 of an acre on a single charge, depending on grass conditions. Convenient features. The mower includes a dual charger, allowing you to charge both batteries simultaneously, so you're always ready for the next mowing session. Eco-friendly. As a battery powered mower, it produces 0 emissions, which is better for the environment compared to gas mowers. It operates much quieter, making it a neighborhood-friendly option. User comfort. Designed with user comfort in mind, it has an ergonomic handle and lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver around the yard without straining yourself. The American Lawnmower Company's 16-inch 5-blade vintage reel lawnmower is a manual push reel lawn mower that combines simplicity with efficiency, making it an ideal choice for maintaining smaller lawns. This environmentally friendly mower ensures a precise and clean cut every time, offering a greener alternative to gas-powered models. Some of the key features and benefits. It has a 16-inch cutting width, which allows you to cover more ground with each pass, ideal for small to medium-sized lawns. It has a 5-blade reel system. This ensures a sharp and precise cut, minimizing damage to the grass for a healthier lawn. Adjustable cutting height. Choose from various settings to customize the grass length according to your lawn's needs and the season. Lightweight design. At only 20 pounds, this mower is easy to push and maneuver around garden beds and through narrow spaces. Quiet operation. This offers a peaceful mowing experience without the noise associated with gas or electric motors, making it neighborhood friendly. 0 emissions. As a manual mower, it produces no emissions, reducing your carbon footprint and eliminating the need for fuel or batteries. On to the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 corded lawnmower, string trimmer, and edger, 12-inch. This innovative 3-in-1 device functions as a lawnmower, a string trimmer, and an edger, all in one lightweight and manageable machine. Diving into some of the key features and benefits, its 3-in-1 functionality. It seamlessly transitions between mowing, trimming, and edging, offering a comprehensive lawn care solution. It's compact and lightweight. Weighing only 9.9 pounds, it's easy to maneuver and perfect for small spaces. Automatic feed spool. It automatically feeds trimmer line as needed without bumping or interruptions. Corded electric power. It provides consistent power supply without the need for recharging batteries, ideal for uninterrupted use. Adjustable height and handle ensures comfort and control, which can be adjusted to suit various user preferences. Built-in cord retention system. This prevents accidental disconnections, keeping you connected and efficient. Next, we have the LawnMaster MEB 1216K electric lawnmower, 16-inch 12-amp. Is a corded electric lawnmower designed to deliver simplicity, efficiency, and convenience in lawn maintenance. This mower combines functionality and practicality in one compact design. Getting into some of the key features and benefits, it has a 16-inch cutting width and high efficiency, equipped with a robust 12-amp motor that operates at a speed of 3,500 RPMs, providing high efficiency cutting for faster mowing. It comes with 5 cutting positions, so easily adjustable from 1.4 inches to 3 inches to suit various lawn lengths and types, enhancing the versatility of this mower. Adjustable handle. It features an adjustable handle for comfort, making it suitable for users of different heights and reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Efficient grass collection. It comes with an 8-gallon grass collection bag with a collection rate of up to 98%, reducing the need for frequent emptying. Lightweight and foldable design. Weighing only 32 pounds and featuring a foldable design, it is easy to store and maneuver, making it perfect for small storage spaces and everyday use. Eco-friendly operation. It offers a cleaner alternative to gas-powered mowers, reducing emissions and eliminating the need for gas. There you have it. There are the top 5 best lawnmowers in 2024. We'll leave links below to all the products that we went over today, and if you do decide to use those links, we will receive a small referral fee at no extra cost to you, and that just supports the channel so that we can keep creating free content just like this. Anyways, if you did enjoy the video, please consider liking and subscribing, because here on this channel we go over the best deals for all different types of products out there on the internet. Thank you again for your time, and we will see you in the next video.